Hello guys, my name is Rahul Upadhyay and I am the network security analyst in the Indian cybersecurity solution. So today I'll be show you how to create in the access list in our router. Okay, so what is the process? Please follow my steps. First, you just create in your access list, right, in your any router, in your any home router, right. So there is the some process in the router admin panel. So I'll be show you today how to create in the access list in your home router, right. So what is my access list? Is that access rules is what is the rules here, right? Rules is that okay, my Windows PC, my any device, right, my any device, okay, my any device, okay, not any PC and any PC in my PC, not my any PC, just I show you the in my PC, okay, through my PC, right. So my PC not connect the internet, okay, with within 12 p.m. okay, within 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this is my rules. My PC not connect the internet within 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay. So what is the process? Okay. First process is that you check your check your IP address. Check your IP address. Check your IP address. Okay. In your PC. Okay. Now you open your router admin panel in your browser, any browser. Open your admin panel in your browser. Okay. Next you check your DHCP. This is the IP address in your router is showing or not. Okay. So just I just follow the first two steps. So I go to the open the CMD. How to check my IP address in my PC? I just open the CMD here, right? IP config. Okay. Type the IP config. Okay, you can see my IP address is my 104, right. My IP address is 104. So what is my IP address in my PC? My IP address is 104, right. So is my IP address here. And what is my default gateway? Why we use the default gateway? Because for the router, open the router admin panel. Okay. So just what's my default gateway? I check the first. Okay, this is my default gateway 192.168.0.1. okay. So this is my default gateway, right. Now you open any browser. Okay. Now you open any browser. Okay. Now you open any browser. Like that. You have using the Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome. You are opening the Mozilla Firefox. So open the Mozilla Firefox. So just you open the Google Chrome. Okay. I just open a new tab, right. Okay. So I open my gateway here. I type here 192.168.0.1. okay. So you can see my router admin panel is open here. So here is the prompt, username and password. Okay, after the username and password, we go to the router admin panel. Inside the router admin panel, so you are opening any browser. Okay. And you type your default gateway IP address, and you type default gateway IP address. Default gateway IP address. Okay. Default gateway IP address 192.168.0.1. Okay. Now you see there is that your admin panel open in your browser. So now you type the username password. After that you follow my steps here. Okay, so now we go to the browser and type here the admin TP link. This is my username, and password I can't share with you. So you have said any password. So you just type this password. Okay, and type the login here. Clear. Now you can see my TP link wireless router is open. Admin panel is open. So now I go to the check the DHCP. My IP address in the DHCP table is or not, is have or not, right? So you can check my IP address is that 104, right? So you can check that my IP address here, right? My IP address is here. Okay, so 104. Okay, so is the 104 is here also. You can see there is the 104. This is my IP address, is the PC IP address. So what is my rules is here? Okay, I just type here. So what's the rules? My PC not connect the internet within the 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Right, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, so first I check. First I copy my MAC address and IP address also. Why I copy this MAC address and IP address also, right? Okay. So because this is the needed when I create the rules, that time this the IP address and my MAC address is needed to the set the rules, right? I just copy my IP address and also my MAC address. Okay, so minimize the notepad. Once again I go to the admin panel. Clear. You can see there is the lot of options. Okay, you can see here is the one thing in the access control, right? So first you click on the access control list and click on the schedule. So why I go to the schedule? Because I just created the rules is my PC not 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Clear, not connect the internet 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this is the rules. Just I schedule the time first, right? So for the rules, okay. So click on the add new, right? You can descriptions is that any description is that afternoon 2. Afternoon 2. Clear. You just click on the afternoon 2. Okay. Apply each day. You can choose the each week. Which week is just choose this here. So I just click on the each day. Right. Just a start time. What is my time here? The 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is my time 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is the time I set here. Start time is my 12 p.m. Okay. So 12 p.m. and end time is my 4 p.m. This is the 16. Right. And click on the add. When I click on the add, you can see this time is the block for connection. Okay, now you can save the schedule. Okay, now you save the schedules. Now you go to the target, not the target, you go to the host here, right? Now I will add my host. This is my PC, right? Create on the host. Just you click on the MAC address. I threw the MAC address. Okay, description my Windows PC. Clear. My Windows PC. Okay, Windows PC. This is my MAC address. I copy from the router from the DHCP table. So I just click on the copy my MAC address and set the MAC address here. Right, now save. After create the rules, my PC not able to connect the internet. First I check my internet working properly or not. So you just click on the Google browser and you can click on the HD peak of the nature. You can see is this the picture is coming here. Okay, my internet action is going on, but I just block it. Okay, so now you go to the rule. Okay, once again you come to the router admin panel and click on the rule here. Right, now you click on the add new options. Right, so your description, my PC, anything you choose, your choice. What name you type here. LAN any host, not any host. Okay, it's my Win PC. I create on the target. Okay, I come to the target. Right. Okay, I just show you the target here. Okay, so 192. Once again I open this. Okay, I go to the once again access control is my target. I said here, not the host. Host I click at the my Win PC. Right. So in this go to the click on the my Win PC LAN host, target any host. Okay, scheduled any time, not the any time. I just create the time here. Okay, you can see I just time here scheduled time afternoon 2. This is my now created. Okay, so click on the schedule in the afternoon 2. Rule is deny, status is enable, and direction is the out, right? Why out? Because I just show you the why I type here the out. Okay, so this is my router. Okay, you think this is my router. Okay, this is my router here. Okay, and this is my PC. Clear? This is my PC connected through the router. Okay, this is my PC connected through the router here. Okay, and my router is connected to the internet. This is my internet. Okay, so this is my internet here, and my router connected to the internet. Okay, so why I choose the out option? So when I doing any browser, when I go to the Google Chrome and type the anything, is that HD picture, www.facebook.com, www.google.com, so my connection goes out. So that's why I block the out connections. What is the in connection? Which is come from my internet. This is called to the in connection, right? This is called to my in connection. And what is the out connection? Which is goes to the from my PC to the internet, right? So that's why I type here. Okay, that's why I type here. This is the direction is the out. Okay, now I can save the rule. Okay, now you see there is the rule is deny, enable. Okay, now you can see my description is my PC, LAN host is the my Windows, my Win PC, target any host because I not specifics the target, right? Okay, and rule is the deny and enable. Okay, so now I open the any new tab. Okay, click on the here is the like that HD pictures of the nature. Click on this is the picture. You can see my Windows PC not able to connect the internet. Why? Because I am create here the schedule. Which schedules? Is the schedule is my PC, okay, not connect to the internet from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Clear? So my rules is going successfully going on. Okay, so now I check this that status is unable. So you can disable also. You can click on this box and click on the disable selected. Okay, is my rules is selected. Now you go to the new tab and now you refresh the tab. Now you see your internet is working properly. So this is called to the access list control in your router. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.